Happy 3rd anniversary sa Jollibee. As usual. Yun lang naman yung bibigay mo sa amin burger, french fries. Sana magtagal na kayo ulit magtagal pa kayo ng bongga-bongga. Alam ko naman tatagal kayo tapos abay ako sa kasal mo. Kasi, yun lang. Wala. I love you daw, sabi ko. Sa totoo lang talaga Pinratos ko to kanina nakalimutan ko lang. Tapos sa Lisa, ako tawa ng tawa ko naman. Nagbibigil, namumula na naman. Hi! Alam ko, happy 3rd anniversary. Hindi ba na pwede, mas marami na ngayon. Kasi manskin lang talaga na pupunta sa akin. Kasi sigang kinakain mo lahat ng mga lalaki. Kaya ang mukha, sunod, pwede sama mo na yun ng shawarma, pero walang sibuyas ha, saka ibang gulay. Ilang group ka na lang sa akin.
Wish you all the best in your love life. Alam mo naman na hanggang mo inalagaan si Bill. Tsaka, ganun din naman si Bill sa'yo. Tsaka, sana sa susunod, kahit ako lang. Sakit ako. Kaya sana nakita ko ulit sa burger machine. O kaya kung saan ang burger stand dyan. Ayun, so sana hanggang dulo, forever na kayo. Ay, alam ko naman na hanggang forever na kayo. Basta kasama nyo lang yung ikaw sa inyo. Saka, ayun, happy 3rd anniversary sana hanggang umabot pa ng ilang times 3 pa yan. Ayun, so, ayun, alagaan mo si Julia. Ikaw din alagaan mo. Sige, sana hanggang naging mag-asawa kayo, kaya nagkaanak na kayo, pero nakapalula. Huwag mo kami kalimutan. Salamat. Happy 3rd anniversary.
Sana, ano gusto mong pagkain? Marami po, basta. Sige lang sa baby.
Well, pala, marami pa yan. Happy 3rd anniversary. Sana, alagaan ko pag-ibig. Alagaan ko. Saka sana,
pagsagaan mo ng ating kahit na kalokohan. Matiis naman yung mga lalaki.
baliwag yan, baliwag.
Saka baby ina ko na.
Ako din.
Ayun, message ko sa'yo sa happy 3rd anniversary. And hope you last. Joke lang. Joke lang. And then, just kidding. And then, ano pa ba? Sana, maunahan mo kami ni Pangit. Kasi nauna kasi sa'yo. Tsaka yun, sabang love ka ni Bill. Sana sa susunod na pag-record si Bill, picture niya ng tatlo. Ikaw, si Bill, at si baby niyo. Yung puro lang ikaw, kaya puro lang si Bill. Kaya puro lang kayong dalawa. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Anniversary. Happy 3rd anniversary. Kasi ako, sana mas magtagal kayo. Saka sana kayo na talaga.
Done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. Without walking the grass. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more love.
Huwag kayo tumingin. Nagtatuloy ako. Ito na naman ako. Kanina kasi nag-video na ako, pero kailangan ko umulit, ha? Ayun na nga, happy 3rd anniversary. Saka, katulad na sinabi ko, love, love, love. Huwag mo kalimutan ng love, love. Katulad na sinabi ko, ihahang si Bill sa baka. Alam mo na yun kung saan yun. Tapos, pasensya mo yung pagiging selosa niya at yung pagiging mainit na niya. Cute naman, ikaw talaga. Tapos, ano ba masasabihin ko? Ayun, magkaroon kayo kagad ng heart at pupunta ko sa bahay namin at gagana nyo. Masaya yun. At thank you sa DSLR nyo. Ganda talaga ng property ko. Yun lang, happy your beautiful children.
to be loud and loud.
Happy 3rd anniversary, Ate Philip Kuya Sam. I love you. Happy 3rd anniversary, Ate Philip Kuya Sam. Anniversary dear. Dalawa man na. Happy 3rd anniversary. Happy 3rd anniversary, Phil and Sam. God bless. Ako lang, pag may harap mo na. Happy 3rd anniversary. God bless sa inyo. Papa. Anniversary, Phil and Sam. God bless. Maraming more years na magkasama kayo. Saka si Phil, napakaganda po talaga. Happy anniversary, Ate Phil. Kuya Sam. Happy anniversary, Ate Phil. Kuya Sam.
Happy anniversary!
Happy 3rd anniversary, Phil.
Happy 3rd anniversary, Kailan pa. Sana masaya kayo at patuloy na maging matatag. Kanya pagkasama.
Happy 3rd anniversary, Phil and
Guess
Sam.
what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is
elevator buttons and morning air. Stranger silence makes me wanna take the stairs. If you were here, we'd laugh about their vacant stares. But right now, my time is theirs. Seems like there's always someone who disapproves. They'll judge it like they know about me and you. And the verdict comes from those with nothing else to do. The jury's out, but my choice is you. So don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks with things that shine, and light makes love look hard. The stakes are high, the water's rough, but this love is ours. You never know what people have up their sleeves. Ghosts from your past gonna jump out at me. Lurking in the shadows with their lip gloss smiles, but I don't care, 'cause right now you're mine. And you'll say, don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks with things that shine, and light makes love look hard. The stakes are high, the water's rough, but this love is ours. And it's not theirs to speculate if it's wrong. And your hands are tough, but they are where mine belong. And I'll fight their doubt and give you faith with this song for you. 'Cause I love the gap between your
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you.
But they can't take what's ours. They can't take what's ours. The stakes are high, the water's rough, but this love is ours.